What is going on YouTube? Here back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at XRP, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, as well as the S&P 500. We do have a few interesting things to discuss in today's episode. Earlier this morning, I did drop a video in regards to whether or not you should be buying into Bitcoin in today's market, trading at around $40,000. Clearly, you guys have zero interest in learning about that, so we will, or there was some of you had an interest, but definitely there's more of the XRP army here. So we are going to be putting out a video today, that's why I'm on here, in regards to whether or not we should be buying into XRP right now, and where exactly is XRP planning on moving to. There are some very interesting things we do have to look at right now within these cryptocurrencies. XRP is showing some very interesting signs of what appears to be a symmetrical triangle forming, which may lead to the next bull run. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump right into today's episode. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on the current coin market cap. I'm giving the market a quick refresh. You can see Bitcoin is actually trading at $40,800, XRP at 32 cents. We have Litecoin at 174 and Ethereum at $1,200. So the market is doing very, very well. But in today's video specifically, I really do just want to focus in on XRP, as I feel like you guys definitely did miss out on more of that XRP technical analysis that I did promise in earlier today's video for tomorrow, but I couldn't wait, so I wanted to jump on right now. So as you guys can see, this is XRP on the TradingView chart. This is on the 4-hour chart. Notice that we are seeing a very interesting pattern forming. So yesterday we did actually see a big run in the price of XRP, shooting the coin all the way up to 35 cents from what appeared to be a low of 22 cents. So we saw a huge run and we profited greatly off of this run to the upside. And really right now we've been deciding, like I said yesterday, we needed the consolidation to happen. We needed us to slowly trade outwards for us to get a general consensus of where this market is going. Once we get that obvious, look and that obvious trend, then we can start drawing technical analysis indicators and figure out exactly what's going on. So we do have a few interesting movements here. Not only do we have this uptrend here, but we do have a horizontal line that's cutting through most of the coin just like this. Boom, and then there is some sort of downtrend forming just along the lines of this. We can leave it like that, and then we can draw one more so to the downside like this is what I'm also seeing right now. So we're definitely seeing some very interesting movements. This is on the 1 hour. I'm going to switch back to the 4 hour, and you can see what it is that I'm referencing. More so, I want to say that this doesn't apply itself as well as what we had earlier today. So I think more so what we're looking at is a movement of the resistance like that. That's what I'm seeing in regards to this symmetrical triangle. So there's definitely some sort of supportive line that is flowing within XRP right now. We are seeing an uptrend being met. There's a clear, bottom support, which is this moving average. As you know, we discussed that this was the resistance we were going to shoot up to and retest as we did yesterday. And now we pretty much just trended out sideways and consolidated. Notice that there is some sort of symmetrical triangle that is forming. We do have the uptrend, we do have a downtrend, we have the moving average that cuts through where the price is being supported through there. So really, as we consolidate sideways on this this uptrend right here and on this moving average, it is going to allow us to obviously lower ourselves on the relative strength indicators, which is exactly what the price is doing, lowering itself from 88 all the way down to 61. This is giving us a better opportunity to see another pump to the upside. So ultimately, here's the goal, and this is what we're going to be looking at. So there's a clear uptrend here. We do have some sort of downtrend. This is forming on the 4 hour. So we probably are going to be seeing some sort of deliberate movement to either direction in the very near future. I'm talking just a couple of hours, if not by tomorrow morning. So notice right now with this resistance and the uptrend, there's a clear signal that anything above 0.322 would be a signal of a bullish run to the upside, and vice versa. Anything below 0.30 would be a correction to the downside, and we could easily fall to 25 cents. Now, this does correlate with the rest of the market, as I do believe XRP is trying really hard to get back inside the patterns that, you know, these other cryptocurrencies are forming. So let's see how this symmetrical triangle pans out. There's a good chance we are going to pop and shoot up higher. Obviously, we'll take advantage of this on the Bityard charts. You can see right here, I do have the daily chart pulled up. You can see exactly what we're referring to. So notice now on the Bityard chart, we do have a few very interesting formations hitting the moving averages. Notice we have a 5, 10, and 20-day moving average. The green is the 20. The purple right here is the 5-day. And then we have this blue one, which I believe is the 10-day right here. So we are actually trading above 3 supports right now. So granted, if we are able to hold above this support that we're trending on right now, there's a good chance we could pop all the way up to retest resistance at the pink moving average here, which is the 40-day moving average. And this could give us a big, you know, jump to 42 cents, which I do believe is coming right around the corner. Notice we have 3 supporting, you know, 3 supports. There's 2 that are immediately affecting the prices right now. There's a good chance it's going to use this to pump higher. So I do anticipate in the next couple of days, we do see a swing to the upside. Obviously, there is resistance, like I said, on XRP right at around 32 cents. So going back to Bityard at the 32 cent, which is where it's at currently, there's a good opportunity that if we see just a smaller movement up, even to 33 cents, we should be considering buying in long, putting at, you know, a long to maybe, you know, $2,000 with a 15 or 10% leverage. We can click buy in and can sell or capitalize off this long to the upside here. I did link Bityard in the description down below if you guys are interested in checking them out. Not only do they have XRP, but they have another, you know, dozen of crypto or a dozen cryptocurrencies and then some that you guys could definitely take advantage of. You can see all of them right here, as well as all of them right here. Not only that, but they also offer spot trading and I believe it's derivative trading, so you can do the S&P 500 and things like that. So there's a huge opportunity right now approaching itself, which I'll obviously update you guys on Patreon and Discord. You guys know what I'm talking about if you have Patreon. We do have a private Discord that we are discussing all of these trades and trends, which is also linked in the description. There's a good chance using these supports right here that we start to rise up in the next couple of days. Now next couple of hours, I mean. Now notice on these other cryptocurrencies, you can see Ethereum is showing a very interesting trend. Not only are we extremely overextended on the daily, trading at 89 on the relative strength indicator, we're showing a major reversal doji that is forming right now. This usually signifies the top of a resistance. So 1231 or 1217 might be considered the top for, you know, Ethereum, and we may see a correction to the downside. So consider if we do decide to close today or tomorrow's candle below 11,000, I'd say 50, there's a good chance, or 1150, 1,150, there's a good chance we're going to short this pretty much back down to this symmetrical triangle we have right here. Or sorry, this ascending fractal that we have right here. Boom. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. This is a reversal doji. Good chance we could short this. Obviously, you could take advantage of that on Bityard as well. Moving on to Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin looks like it wants to head up higher. It did consolidate down from a price point of 78 back down to 70, but just within this ascending fractal, it looks like it wants to head up higher as it is at a low and it is being withheld by support. There's a good chance we could easily see a swing now, guys, all the way up to 43,000 within Bitcoin. Same thing goes with Litecoin. Consolidation is happening. There is plenty of uncertainty right now within these, you know, ascending fractals, but I do believe that Litecoin is going to consolidate just a little bit longer. Obviously, depending on Bitcoin, if Bitcoin pumps higher, it may influence these other cryptocurrencies. But right now, it seems like there's all in different trades. Everything is acting independent from Bitcoin itself. So if we see XRP break bullish outside of this resistance, then we are getting ready to buy in long and anticipate a run all the way up to 42 cents. We have Ethereum, which looks like it wants to reverse downwards back down to support. If that happens, consider getting ready to short the market. Bitcoin, same thing, looks like it wants to pump to the upside, anticipating a run to the upside. And then same thing goes with Litecoin. Litecoin can very easily correct to the upside as well. Lastly, the S&P 500 looks incredible. We did mention that there was a beautiful double bottom that formed. And the second we saw confirmation above my prior all-time high that I did decide to sell off of, we went right about here. And then I decided to buy in because I anticipated the market to continue to run up. And that's exactly what it did, and it pumped even higher up. That's when I decided to buy back in. Not only did I buy back in, I put another $6,000 into the retirement fund. Why? Because 2021 now allows anyone to deposit $6,000 unless you make over a certain amount in your retirement or in your year-to-date or daily, annual pay or annual salary, whatever you want to call it. So there's a good chance we're going to continue to pump higher within the S&P 500 and these cryptos. So pretty crazy if you ask me. Definitely pretty crazy. There is some sort of like top here. It's very interesting. Something like that is a very substantial uptrend. There's also some sort of fractal on the bottom here too. If I draw that out, something like this. Hopefully that makes sense. You can clearly see where supports and resistances meet and coincide, and it does show some sort of channel forming here. So there's a good chance this could be the top for the S&P 500, and come Monday, we might actually see the coin start to reverse downwards a little bit and then ultimately head up higher. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's episode. If you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Follow me on Twitter, CryptoTheOfficial, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.